Hello students, I am Muhammad Asim. In last lecture we completed exercise 1.3. Today we are going to start exercise 1E, which is related to word problem of quadratic equations. Word problem means applications of quadratic equations or uses of quadratic equations in our daily life. There are so many questions in this exercise, and we will do some questions from exercise 1E in today's lecture and in next lecture, and after two lectures I will be doing past papers questions from this topic, quadratic equations. Actually, word problem of quadratic equation almost come every year in paper 2 mathematics. Paper 2 means where calculator is allowed. So today we are going to start exercise 1E. I choose question number 6. Let's have a look. Question number 6. Question number 6 is the perimeter of a rectangle is 112 centimeter. Given that the perimeter of a rectangle is 112 centimeter and its breadth is x centimeter. Given that the perimeter of a rectangle is 112 centimeter and its breadth is x centimeter, form in terms of x an expression for the length of the rectangle. We have to find the length of the rectangle with the help of these two conditions. What are these two conditions? One is the perimeter given 112 centimeter and the breadth is given x centimeter. You know, student, if this is our rectangle, I just roughly draw, and if we assign the longest side is length and the shortest side is breadth. In this case, the perimeter is given 112 centimeter and breadth is given x centimeter. We have to find the length with the help of these two given conditions. So first of all, we must know the formula of the perimeter of the rectangle. The formula of the perimeter of rectangle is P is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Here perimeter is given, which is 112 is equals to 2, length we have to find, and plus breadth. Breadth is given x centimeter, so we put breadth x. Then this number 2 is multiplied over here, this should be divided on other side. So 2 divided by 112 divided by 2 is 56, L plus x. So if we move x on this side, we will get 56 minus x is equals to L, length. This is what we need in part 1. Form in terms of x. In terms of x means we need an answer in the form of x, an expression for the length of the rectangle. This is our expression. Length L is equals to 56 minus x. So this is the answer of part 1. The part 2 is, given that the area of the rectangle is 597 centimeter square, formulate an equation in x, show that it reduces to x square minus 56x plus 597 is equals to 0. So we have to convert, we have to formulate the equation, this x square minus 56x plus 597 is equals to 0 with the help of given condition. What condition is given? Area of the rectangle is given, but we must know the formula of the area. What is the formula of area? This is part 2. The formula of area is A is equals to length by breadth. In this situation, in this question, A area is given. What is given? Area is given 597. So we put 597 is equals to what is length? We already obtained length L is equals to 56 minus x. So we have to put 56 minus x instead of L, multiply by breadth. Breadth is already given in question, which is x. So this is x. So 597 is equals to x multiplied by 56, 56x, x multiplied by x, x square. If we move 56x minus x square on this side, we will get minus x square becomes plus x square. 56x become minus 56x, and this is plus 597 is equals to 0. Shown. This is what I need. Show that it reduces to x square minus 56x plus 597 is equals to 0. So we obtain the given equation with the help of given conditions. So hence it is show that x square minus 556x plus 597 is equals to 0. Now the next part of this part 2, giving both answer correct to 2 decimal places, means solve the equation x square minus 56x plus 597 is equals to 0. Giving both answer correct to 2 decimal places, solve this equation. You know, student, there are how many methods to solve? 4 methods. One is factorization, one is completing a square, one is quadratic formula, and fourth is solve the given quadratic equation with the help of graph. So we have to solve this equation. There is no concern that which method you are going to apply in this part, because the values are very big. If the values are very big, I prefer to you to apply quadratic formula. So what is quadratic formula? For applying quadratic formula, we need 3 constants, that is a, b and c. What is a? The coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square in this case a, 1. What is b? The coefficient of x, which is minus 56. What is c? The constant term, which is 597. Now put 1, minus 56, 597, a, b, c in the quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula is x is equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root whole upon 2a. Put all the values a, b, c in this formula. This is minus from the formula. b is minus 56 plus minus b square minus 56 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 597 whole root whole upon 2a, 2 multiplied by a is 1. Now minus plus 56 plus minus 56 square is plus, minus square is always plus, so 56 square is 3136 minus 4 ones are 4 into 597 is 2388. 56 plus minus 3136 minus 2388 is 748. 56 plus minus 748 root upon 2 is equals to 56 plus minus, find the square root of 748 by using calculator, we will get 27.35. So 1 is 56 plus 27.35 upon 2 and other is 56 minus 27.35 upon 2. 56 plus 27 plus 35 upon 2 is 41.8 and 41.83, and 56 minus 27.35 upon 2 is 14.33. So this is our 2 answers and 2 decimal places. Correct to 2 decimal places, write the answer, write 2 digits after decimal. So this is called 2 decimal places. I hope you understand this question. So student, these are the word problems of quadratic equation. We will do lot of more word problem in coming lectures. I will give 2 to 3 lectures more for word problems. 1 lecture from exercise 1E and 2 lectures from past papers. Okay student, I hope you understand today's class. Kindly subscribe my channel and share my videos to other your friends as well. Okay, see you next class and never miss next class.